Sa Silver Moon, manlimos tayo.
Ay, focus, focus.
3-5-30. Re-reach ang last.
Say goodbye to your 10k bulbs. Oy, Rox, what the fuck?
Melee trap.
Uy,
N0. Ranged.
Dispel.
Ranged.
Range trap. Range trap.
Dispel me now. Dispel.
Melee trap.
Melee. Dildo plague.
Dispel.
Facing na. Ardent proc tank.
Pag
Hold na lang
nag-miss
ng
ba
heal.
yung...
Nice.
pangit
Pag
ng talo
nag-miss
ng
ba yung
necrotic.
taunt, ano? Ibig sabihin, no hit. Pag nag-miss ang taunt.
Hindi sir, mababa lang yung spell hit mo.
Ayun na, may downtime ah.
One more MD.
Lizzie, can you come closer? Lizzie. Salve your mages. Salve. Sinulog.
Ang ina, naglalag yung PC ko. Fucking Facebook. Why is it notifying? Oh, gago, nag-hang screen. Wait lang. Dali mo dito, Smelly, sa... Defile 2, Defile 1.
Hello, Defile?
BL.
Defile in 3, 2, 1. Hello, Defile?
I almost wiped the raid love. Is there some mechanic on me? Yeah. Defile. Hindi ko kayo marinig ah. So,
Defile in 3, 2, 1. Hello,
okay,
Defile?
come back to square quick. You guys have a couple of seconds.
3, 2,
Defile.
1. Hello, Defile?
Pwede na ata natin to i-face stun na lang. Di ba? Tingin niyo. Bubble na lang ah. Divine Shield. Pop cooldowns, guys. Stuck. Always outside ng Hysteria, moving. After first chamber mo dapat ako Hysteria. Nasayang oh. Pop the shaman ah. Okay na dito.
Hello, Defile?
Combo points.
Defile in 3, 2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Fuck. Stuck. Moving. Dito muna tayo. Dito. Come here. Let's wait for that bomb in front. Chill lang. Oh, Burkwa. Patay si Dildo. Harden Rage ah. Dito lang. Defile.
Hello, Defile?
Dalhin niyo sa throne.
Defile in 3,
Defile.
2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Kaya nakala ko may B-res pa, sorry. My bad. Stuck. Moving. Big nga tayo. Dito tayo. Okay, slow. Don't go ahead of me. Sobrang layo nyo na. Or Mastery Shadow nga. Tayo na, may namatay na naman. Defile.
Hello, Defile?
Just kill it.
Alam mo na feeling ko pagka
Parang mas-
Ano nangyari?
Sama ng Infest Rocks. Grabe Rocks, sama ng Infest.
Do not loot the boss, by the way.
Sino
Sir, don't
nag-release?
remind me. Masakit, sir.
Na DCC, si Son. Sa
Oh,
chamber.
nobody loot the boss.
Oh, kailangan
Let-
ng blood search. Okay, yung
Let Son loot it.
Inaantok na ako. Tangina.
Paano yan, sir? May bin pa tayo.
Let's
Bin mo mukha mo, sir. Bigyan ng nanay mo.
Tangina. Ano nag-add gago? Di ko narinig yung comms at all that whole after...
That's okay, sir.
Was I overlapping? Or hindi naman?
Hindi naman, sir. Pinahap ko na lang tsaka bubble yung last chamber para di na sila ma-defile. By the way, if you got hop or bubble, you're never gonna be the target of defile. So you can just keep casting. That's the reason.
Oh, ako on top 1. Sa Lich King. Useful damage.
Ano ako?
Top 3. Zivzib second. Next up.
Patang Zizib na to.
So, pagpaplasin natin yung kay John Mong.
Nice.
You did the right thing, Mr. Dildo.
Light, grant me one final blessing. Give me the strength to
Ano, nagpamatay ba siya bago pumasok?
Hindi, hindi siya
Hindi
nag-accept. It's the
Oh.
right
I want-
call.
I want all melee to get away from the boss. I'm the only melee that's gonna hit the boss. All ranged, kill it.
Good job, guys.
Yun ang grabe naman to si John Mong. Layo ng agwat. 20M. God.
Nag-switch lang to si Junmong.
Oo.
Oo nga, no.
You have to count his last. You have to count his last ano.
Yeah, he's on 120M. 120.17.
So, mawawala si Boring
Yeah.
Ako.
So,
Kasi boring.
sa Edge.
All melee get away. Ako lang. Only me.
Okay.
Kill it range. Rat.
Okay, Hysteria on Gex.
Get away, get away.
Summon Stone after. Warlocks.
Don't wanna see any melee. All melee get... Dude, wag. Para yung CC ako lang. If it loots. The blame will be on me. Range kill.
Walang pipindot, walang pipindot.
By the way, Zoel, can you link Valkyr damage? I wanna see Barbaricus damage.
Oh, achievement!
Nilot
Yay!
Nilot ko na.
Hindi pa, wala pang gold.
Just go in, Mr. Sun.
Gago, naka-load na ako.
Lich King.
Bug yung loot, bug. Gago, wala
Loading
nagkiklik
banding.
ng portal. Wala naliloot, bug.
That's a little low. Zoel, I think that's the wrong one.
What's this?
Ang dami kasing Lich King eh.
Ako. Ako na mag-send. Valk damage.
Sige.
Tama yan. Ah, hindi. Mali yan.
You loot it, Mr. Sun. Ikaw mag-loot.
Gago,
Uy,
yun na nga.
Diba?
Junong!
Yun na
Blood
nga.
surge.
Junong!
Butang ina ni Yamete.
Junong!
May habok din.
May habok sa si Yamete.
Namura ko tuloy, sir.
Hindi, kailangan ni Junmong yan. Kailangan
May
ni
Yun
na.
yung
Gago na Pasko.
Kailangan ni Junong yan.
Ay,
mga nag-aantay ng bank market meron na.
Ko lang bakit ko pinas, what the fuck. Panid na lang kung sino.
Wait, tara, Stonard,
Di pa
guys. Stonard. Punta naman
Ninit
tayo
mo ba,
sa
Ken?
putikan.
Stonard?
I did.
Guys, sa putikan tayo. Ayaw nyo ba to?
Trade na lang sa
What?
akin.
No.
Wildlife, guys.
No, sir.
Paano yun naklik na yung invincible?
Saan yun na-learn?
Sino
Sa'yo,
ang
sa'yo na yan.
Sinulat top 3? Si Yagi.
Stonard. Yagi. Dice, tsaka
Si
yung
Jun
power.
Yagi. Si Yagi, Gex, tsaka si
Ay.
Zaizu.
Okay na. Okay na,
Dice.
no? At least Gago nagdi-dispel na siya. That's the... Naunahan mo lang siya siguro. At least he's pressing it. You know he's pressing it. Sorry about that.
Nagtatampo na eh.
Gago,
Very
alam mo
chill
naman,
pa.
alam mo naman, yan yung pinaka pet peeve ko sa boss na to eh.
Garage
Pang Sander lang yan eh. One click.
Ay, dami kong DKP. Wala nagda-drop na items.
Blood Surge. Go. Go ham.
You know, walang
Wow,
kalaban.
Blood Surge.
Walang kalaban.
Umar.
OST.